Hi everybody, this is Obashir Mughal and the one-liner of this session is tomorrow is too late, it's no or never. It doesn't matter that whatever you want to do in your life, whatever your goal is, whatever your aim, your purpose of life is, you have to decide it and you have to take the action right now, right in this moment. Do not think about tomorrow because tomorrow will not come. This is your time, this is your turn, today is yours. So just decide it what you want in your life, be clear about your goal and take a single step toward your success, toward your goal, toward your aim. Because if you are not doing this thing right now, it's mean that you are doing nothing, because today is your, but you don't know about tomorrow, that what will happen tomorrow. Mostly we have decided our goal, our purpose, and then we say to ourselves that we will do this, but do this tomorrow and the next moment and next hour. But it's mean that whatever you want, whatever you have, whatever it takes to you, you have to decide it now and you have to take the action now. This is how you can get success. This is how you will be able to get, because it's you. No one can does it for you, but it's you who can do everything for yourself. So take the action, not tomorrow, right now, in this moment, in this time, because this time is belong to you. If you want to do something today, do it right now. Do it right now in this moment. And remember one thing, don't pass your life, live your life and always live in present moment. Do not think about your past, just you have to learn from your past and do not think about your future. Just have to think about this moment in this time today, because today is belong to you. If you are thinking too much about the past and about the future, you will lose your future. Your future is totally depend on your present moment. Take risk, because if you are taking risk, it's mean that you are trying. Maybe you will get failure, but it doesn't matter, because you will get experience. The first step is so important. So do not think that I will do this tomorrow or next time, next year, next week. Tell yourself that it is for me like to a death situation, and I will do this and I will do this right now. I am the only one who are responsible for my failure, for my success, for my journey. You have to take the action, practically action, not about thoughts, not about other things, but you have to take practical action right now. Live always your present moment. Do not think about your future, because your future will be bright if your present is bright. Life is so uncertain. So don't trust the next time. Trust the moment in which you are living and do what you want. This is your life. This is your moment. So live it. Don't pass it. Live it. Accept the challenge and do whatever you want. Get out of your bed and do whatever is in front of you. Whatever it takes to you. But you are the only one who are the responsible for yourself. So do it. But do it right now. There is no next time. It's no or never. So tell this to yourself that it's no or never, because this is your time. This is your time and it's totally belong to you. Decided, committed and just do it. Today is my birthday, so that is why I made this session, that do it and do it right now. But this is also for me, because today is my birthday. It's 16 March 2019 and this is my birthday. I'm 25-year-old and I promised to myself that my aim is to become an inspirational speaker, and I will do this and I'm doing this, and I'm promising to myself in this session that I will do whatever it takes to me. I will do my best to become an inspirational speaker, and I will try my best to motivate other people, because my satisfaction is to motivate you, to inspire you, to inspire this world. This is my goal, and I feel satisfaction when I speak in front of people. I know right now I'm not the best one. I'm not the best, but I know one thing, that I am trying. I cannot speak English fluently, but I know that one day I will become a greatest ever speaker, inshallah. I promise to myself today. You have to promise to yourself that it's no or never, and you have to commit it. You have to decide it. You have to take the action, take the step, and take the step right now. I hope you will learn a lot from this session. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.